Hello, all. I'm Varsha, and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. As you all know, the series is all about the prominent achievers of the country who has made India proud in some way or the other. The main focus of our series is to make you all know about the experiences and achievements of our guests. So, in the same series, today we have with us Mr. Vishal Shah, who is the CEO of MyCare Softtech Private Limited.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows, and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hi, Vishal, how are you?
Yeah, hi Varsha, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so before moving ahead in the show, Vishal, please tell us something about you and your professional role too.
Definitely. So, hi everyone, myself Vishal Shah. I'm from Ahmedabad. I have carried out 18 years of experience in the software and IT industry, and last 4 years I'm working as an CEO of Exceltech Interactive Private Limited, Panoramic Infotech, and CEO of MyCare Softtech Private Limited. My focus area is to work on a business part like sales, account management, delivery aspect, strategies to define the company's growth and expansion.
Okay, lovely, Vishal. Lovely it is. So, Vishal, how does this idea of starting up with your own business came into your mind?
Right. So initially, I was working as a delivery head, and then I started my journey as a business entrepreneur in IT background. Since I belongs to an IT as an carrier, okay. So technology transformation pushes me to keep my vision into accuracy and reality. That's how I have started working as a CEO of Exceltech Interactive Private Limited. The journey started with 10 individual employees, and now we have more than 80 plus experts on board. With a successful journey, we make a unique identity in the IT world.
Okay, okay. So Vishal, everybody face some sort of challenges in their journey. So if you could please tell us something about your journey, as in what sort of challenges you have faced and how you dealt with those challenges too.
Definitely, challenges are part of life. So initially, we face many challenges in professional life. Okay, without challenge, there is no great success. So initially, when we growing, it take it takes time to stabilize a skilled team. It takes time to stabilize all the rules, all the decisions, to define a specific team who has a common goal, common vision. But definitely, with all hard work and with God grace, we come out from those challenges and define an company and define a product which is best in IT company for Ahmedabad.
Okay, amazing, Vishal. So talking about your future goals, what are your plans? What are your future plans for MyCare Softtech Private Limited?
Right. So MyCare is our product related to healthcare industry, and it is serving at a global level. MyCare provides a better connectivity between patients and doctor in two-way and three-way conferences where all the rural people get a better connectivity with their metro, and we can save the lives. Moreover, MyCare can help in medical tourism to take the India to the next level. So we have patients coming from Africa and Far East Asia, okay, they can get a better treatment, and later they can get direct connectivity with doctor sitting at their own place, right? We are expanding MyCare in many countries like US, Australia, Iran, Africa, and Europe. Moreover, in the next version of MyCare, we provide a facility where India, and for all the critical illness, Indian people can send their own complete medical passport, which is an health card, okay, to US hospitals and doctors sitting in US, and can get an advice on the treatment over the three-way conferencing call, which significantly help India to save the life and to get the better treatment by sitting in India without traveling to those countries.
Okay, so amazing work you all are doing, I must say. So, talking about the products and services which your organization offers, what sort of services you offer?
Definitely. So, MyCare is a product of Exceltech Interactive Private Limited, and Exceltech Interactive Private Limited is working in e-commerce segment, artificial intelligence, Internet of Thing. Uh, we work on chatbot. We work on game development. Uh, Other than that, our main domain expertise is a shipping industry. So we are working in many US government projects related to shipping industry as well. To reach out to Excel Tech, one can always connect on sales at exceltech.com, and they will get prompt reply from our sales and marketing team.
Okay, so everyone is so much into this vocal for local wala thing nowadays. So, how is your organization contributing towards this?
Definitely, vocal for local is always an priority. We always pushes Indian entrepreneurs to grow, to take to the next level, and that's where we are also doing that. MyCare is our startup. Basically, that's a made in India, make for world, right? People in India get benefited with this specific software to connect with the medical facilities, but not only medical facilities, they can get their pharmacy and laboratory on their doorstep. And for that, we are not using any kind of an online pharmacy shops. We have engaged and changed with all the medical association of in Ahmedabad and Gujarat. They connect with us. We connect with all the local pharmacy shops, right? So the business which we get is distributed between all the business owners, business entrepreneurs, and we all can earn, we all can grow together. In this process, we not only encouraged by the doctors and hospitals, but we encouraged by the associations like pharmacy associations and laboratory associations, and they also engage with us on a association to association tie-up. So definitely vocal for local, Atmanirbhar Bharat is our vision, is our goal, and that definitely help us to take to the next level.
Lovely, sir. Lovely. So now comes one of my favorite question, and that is, what are your feelings about winning this Indian Achievers Award?
Yeah, so for Indian Achievers Award, I'm really humble. I'm really thankful for awarding me for a prestigious Indian Achiever Award, and I would like to say thank you for whole team, for whole Excel Tech team, for whole MyCare team, for their hard work, and for all those people who have shown their interest in our services and product. Thank you, Indian Achiever team, for providing me this platform.
And I must say, you are truly an achiever, Vishal. Talking about the social involvement, tell us a bit about your social contribution.
Definitely. So CSR is an always part of an Excel tech. We do CSR as a part of our CG cultural group activities in terms of many other ways to help needy people, right? And my care is one way is uh, we are trying to contribute social and maintain a balance within the life. If you see, most of the big hospitals are there in metros, and rural has to run to metro, okay, to get a better treatment. Now we work, I mean, initially we have created this as a goal, as a vision, and now we are trying to, I mean, once we have established this, we are working hard on that 70% of Indian people living in the rural area, and they help, MyCare is helping them to connecting for a better healthcare treatment. So if they need any urgent assistance, they can keep their local doctor and connect with a super specialist doctor sitting in the city. That's where they get the immediate treatment to them. Now, even at a pharmacy level, most of the pharmacy shops are struggling between online and offline mixture, right? They see their business is getting hampered. We as a MyCare, not selling any online medicine, we are creating a group and tie up with association shops. So business, online business is diverted to them only. They get the prescription, they deliver the medicines. So eventually we want everyone grow who connect with MyCare in one way or another way.
Okay, so before winding up today's session, what sort of advice you would love to give to, today's generation who want to get into this entrepreneurship thing someday?
Definitely. I have in entrepreneur I have only 4 years experience. So to give advice is something where I can share as, don't worry about being successful. Work towards being significant, and the success will naturally follow. Okay, so just work towards your goal and love your work.
That's short and simple, and it's very amazing too. Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Vishal, for being with us today and sharing your experiences and thoughts and advice too. And I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors too, and may you continue to inspire us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.